Hey guys, today's question comes from Rose. Rose asks, hey Chris, I just got dry shampoo for the first time ever. Any tips? Yes, I love this question, Rose. One of the major things I've noticed is that people do not use dry shampoo nearly enough. Sometimes it's just because they don't know how to use it properly, sometimes because they have the wrong brand, but they just haven't figured out how amazing it can be. So let me quickly run you through all the high points of using dry shampoo. First off, dry shampoo may look like hairspray, but this is nothing like hairspray. If you use it and put it on top like hairspray, you will get literally nothing out of it. That's because all the oil and dirt that makes your hair feel gross is hiding at your roots. So that's where you want to put the dry shampoo. It takes a little bit of strategy to do that. What you want to do is open up a path for the dry shampoo to get sprayed directly onto your scalp. The way you do that is by creating little mini parts all over your head. You're going to spread the hair apart and then spray the dry shampoo right inside there. And you want to do this all over your entire head. So start on one side, and then about every 1.5 inches, 2 inches, you're going to create a new part and work your way through your entire scalp. And when you get to the other side, it's extremely important, don't forget to do the back. You also want to do 2 or 3 in the back. That's where usually the nastiest, dirty stuff hides. Now, after all that, you're almost done. You're gonna let it sit on your scalp for about 2 minutes and let it work its magic. After that, you're just gonna rub it in lightly with your fingers and take a wet brush to bring your look together like you normally would, and then you're done. So the next time your hair feels dirty, don't wash it. Try this out instead and see how it goes. If you have any problems, leave a comment here and I'll help you work through it.